Chocolate and hazelnut milkshake smoothie recipe. Yield, 1 to 2 servings. Prep time, 5 minutes. Total time, 5 minutes. Ingredients, smoothie. 1.5 cups 375 milliliters unsweetened soy milk, or other plant milk. 2 ripe frozen bananas. 2 tablespoons 30 grams hazelnut butter or 1/4 cup roasted hazelnuts. 1/4 teaspoon pure vanilla extract. 2 tablespoons 15 grams cocoa powder. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon dash of salt optional. 6 small dates, pitted. Ingredients, toppings. 1/4 cup crunchy pecan and cranberry granola or other granola of choice. 1 tablespoon 15 grams goji berries. 1 tablespoon 15 grams hemp seeds. Directions. Add all smoothie ingredients to a blender except for the dates and blend until smooth. Add the dates and blend briefly so that some chunks remain to add some bite, or you can blend it in completely if desired. Serve in a glass or bowl and top with granola, goji berries and hemp seeds. Notes. Nutrition tip: try to use a plant milk that is fortified with calcium. Offers approximately 120 mg calcium per 100 ml serving. Did you try this recipe? Let me know how it went. Comment below and share a video your friends. For most informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel.